In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to organize your digital sewing patterns. First, log into Trello so you're looking at your workspace. We'll start by creating a new board dedicated to your patterns. Give it a clear title like Sewing Patterns so it's easy to find later. While you're here, pick a background that suits you. A distinct color or image makes the board more recognizable at a glance and can help you stay motivated to use it. Next, set up your lists to structure the board. You can sort by type: dresses, tops, skirts, pants, so everything lives where you'd naturally look for it. If you prefer a workflow approach, use lists like to sew, in progress, and completed. Either method works. Choose the one that matches how you think and sew. You can always combine both by keeping type-based lists on one board and using a separate workflow board for active projects. Now, add a card for each digital pattern you own. Click Add a card under the appropriate list. Name the card with the pattern brand and pattern name, keeping the format consistent so you can search and sort easily later. Consistency is key for staying organized as your collection grows. Open the card and add a cover image. A photo of the pattern envelope or the product listing makes your board visual and easy to skim. It also helps you quickly distinguish between similar styles. Fill out the card details to make each entry truly useful. In the description, include the size range, fabric recommendations, required notions, seam allowances, and any fitting notes you care about. Attach files like the PDF pattern, instructions, or your printed home layout so everything is stored in one place. If you plan to sew it soon, add a due date to keep yourself accountable. Use labels to create at-a-glance tags. You might color code difficulty level, season, fabric type, or size range, whatever helps you filter your collection fast. Add checklists for sewing steps or for cutting pieces and notions. Checking items off as you go keeps your progress clear without cluttering the description. Finally, link related cards. If a pattern has variations, hacks, or coordinating pieces, paste the Trello link to those cards in the attachment or description area. This keeps your pattern ecosystem connected and saves time when planning outfits or sets. That's it. Keep adding cards as you collect patterns, move them between lists as you sew, and update details after each make. With a few minutes of setup, your Trello board becomes a living library for your digital sewing patterns, clear, visual, and ready whenever inspiration strikes.